Go.
Oh, hi guys. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to successfully apply and finish through paint to your Bird mobile. Before half term you learned how to mark out and cut your mobiles, and now I'm going to be showing you how to successfully colour them. So here's a level 3/4 mobile that you can see here. It's uneven brush strokes and it's a little bit rough, and they're not really, they pressed the paint too hard and they haven't really blended it in. I've got too much paint on the mobile. And here is another mobile. This is a higher one, level 5, and as you can see, they haven't put too much paint like the last mobile. So, but some colours aren't mixed that much, but it's mainly smooth and soft, as you can see. So yeah, so this is level 5, and here is a higher level 6, and this one's blended its colours more than the level 5, but colours aren't mixed. Colours aren't mixed that much. So yeah. It's a better comparison than level 5. As you can see, the colours look much better on this one than the other one. And lastly, but not least, it's level 7. Yeah, this one's got everything. It's got colours are blended, it's mixed, smooth, and not too much paint. You can see the real detail that the person has put into this. Well, that's me, obviously. Yeah, you can see the real detail they put into it to make it the best it can be. Yeah, so I'm going to be teaching you guys today.